Due to a power failure, Nils is unable to attend the online lecture on linear guides. After the lecture, Nils calls Nina. Nina says, "That's no problem. I'll briefly explain what was discussed today." The professor started today with the topic of types of linear guides. There are two types of linear guides, namely shaft guides and rail guides. The shaft guides have balls as rolling elements and can only be moved axially. They are divided into three types: ball bushings, ball cage guides, and ball splines. The second type are the rail guides, in which carriages move on a rail. These can be divided into four types: track roller guides, flat rail guides, ball guides, and roller guides. Nina mentions that it is very important to know the calculation principles so as not to subject linear guides to excessive loads. This serves to prevent failures, shorten service lives, and also oversizing. The most important requirement is the nominal service life. It calculates the service life with a 90% probability of survival of the linear guiding system under the same operating conditions. The nominal service life of linear guides is specified in kilometers. To calculate this, you need the dynamic load rating, as well as hardness, contact, temperature, and load factors. In addition, when calculating the service life of linear guides, the average equivalent load is required. Nina adds that the professor discussed the mounting of linear guides at the end of the lecture. There are three different assembly tolerances: the parallelism tolerance, the height tolerance between two rails, and the height tolerance in the rail direction. It should be noted that linear guides with DF arrangement of the raceways have a greater mounting tolerance because they allow more elasticity than linear guides with DB arrangement. Neil says, "Thank you, Nina. Now I'm up to date. Your explanations are always helpful." If you would like to find out more about the different linear systems, we recommend that you take a closer look at the articles on Linearwizard.